Dear students, today we will go to do the exercises of English practice book. There is a lesson 9 up to 8 we have already completed. So today in this section we will do the chapter 9 of English practice book, that is a where is the pink whale. So in the lesson 11, where is the pink whale? Uh, in the last class I had discussed about King Kuber, how he was and what happened in his king one day, what happened in his court. And so one day he he take a took a round of his kingdom, and he saw there different people doing different type of works. So here in this section fill in the blanks is given, and using correct words from the help box and help box to see what the people are doing. So there is given words are sewing, sitting, riding, guarding, sailing, sleeping, watering, playing, washing. So these are the words. And children are, there is the first picture here is given. So in this picture the children are playing in the garden. So we will feel it here, playing. This is a doing word. Next, a farmer is dash the seeds. So the farmer is sowing the seeds. Some people sowing also is doing word. And बोना जिसे बोलते हैं, बीज बोना. Women some women are dash close in the pond. So you can see there are some women who are washing clothes in the pond. So here we will feel cloth washing. Few men are dash under the tree. So here is the picture number 4. There are some men under sitting under the tree. So sitting is the correct word here. Soldiers are dash the place, palace. Sorry, soldiers are dash the palace. So here the soldiers are guarding the palace. रखवाली करना, guarding. Shopkeeper is dash goods. So what does a shopkeeper do in the shop? So shopkeeper sell the goods. So here is helping verb is. So we will put the ing words here. So shopkeeper is selling the goods. Babies are dash in the cots. So here you can see easily in the 7th number pic, their babies are sleeping on the cots. And gardener are dash the plant. The gardener watering the plant. And some men are dash on horses. So there some men are riding, सवारी करना, riding on the horses. In the next there is a King Kuber is sad. An artist draw up funny pictures to make him laugh. Look at the funny picture and complete the sentences. So that in the worksheet 2 you have to write what the people are, what the picture is saying. So first, a baby is cooking food. Here is already given example. So next, a dog. What is a dog doing? The dog is reading book. And a woman who is wearing a bib. And eating food in bowl. Bowl. A man is crawling under the chair. Generally, a baby is crawling, but here is baby or animals. But here is a man is crawling under the chair, and a mouse is. A mouse is. Can a mouse is right? But here is the given picture. So a mouse is writing a letter. A big girl. Have, have you seen? A big girl is sleeping in the cradle, but here in the picture, to make laugh to the king, so the make picture, a big girl is sleeping in the cradle. And here is the next worksheet number 5. Read the clues, find a word from the list for catch clues, each clue, sorry. So the opposite of shout. So what is the opposite of shout? Shout means chillana. So that is the whisper. फुसफुसाना, धीरे से बोलना. A car has 4 of them, these. So WH word you have to find out. Here is a given wheels. Say car has 4 of these wheels. You blow it. What do you blow? Yeah, balloon. But here is not given balloon. There is a W sound word, so whistle. You blow it, whistle. City. A soothing color. Soothing color is white. It is used to beat horse with. So horsemen used to beat the horse with a whip. W-H-I-P, whip. Near is think of a rhyming word and each for them. First is well. Well, the answer is given pale. So will, feel, king, ring, witch, beach, gold, sold, catch, batch, kind, mind. So in this way you will complete the work. Or if you have any problem you can ask during the classes. So okay.